Good afternoon, good morning, good evening, goodbye. This is Jerry Dime with How to Get Out of Babylon. I'm reading the instructions for the Crown Fire, Light of Fire, Light of Life. Okay, that's their motto, I guess. Tabletop fire pit, fire pot. Pit? Tell me, oh, shut up. Not a hole in the ground. Okay. So I was reading the instructions, and I'm on section 4, which is suggestions for use. We constantly add fuel to the fire. And then number 4.3 is extinguish. When you finish burning the fire pit, please make sure the fuel has gone out thoroughly, then put on the extinguisher. That would be the lid. This will prevent dust, rain, from entering into the fire pit and keep the interior dry for the next use. Suggestions for cleaning. When you're finished using it, there will usually be some ashes left inside the fireplace. Blown out. Most of these embers will stay on top of the pellets adapter. You can use a poker to remove the adapter and dump these embers into the garbage. Don't dump them into your compost bin. The remaining small amount of ash can be disposed of by rinsing. In addition to the embers, you may also need to clean some burn marks of burning stainless steel, brown, black metal oxide film. Usually these burn marks need to be scrubbed clean with a rag brush soaked in baking soda solution. Please consult the relevant professionals for the details. I read that, obviously. However, if you don't clean it, it won't rust. It'll just become less aesthetically pleasing. Now, when you heat stainless steel really hot, it sort of turns pretty colors, rose colored and blue colored and purple colored. Really looks nice. I don't know if that'll do this or not. Warranty, blah, blah, blah. I read most of this. I'm not going to read this again. They go through very high quality materials as modern methods as regards quality control and assurance are applied. Only thus we can make sure that Crown Fire customers get the quality expected and can take pleasure in our products for years. In case one article should, contrary to expectations, not meet these requirements, the following warranty periods are applicable. 1 year free exchange and no need to return the original product. That's weird. 1 year free exchange, no need to return the original product. Okay, it doesn't work. Give me another one. That's not good. Precondition is that the article was assembled and used according to the instructions annexed. The instructions annexed. Crown Fire reserves the right to demand a proof of purchase such as original invoice, Amazon order ID, etc. Number 7, cautions. Always comply with national regulations, yeah, right, and regional regulations, yeah, right. Rules, laws, and other legally binding requirements for the use of fire pits in your place of residence. Requirements may vary depending on your location. Yeah, like here, there are no requirements or prohibitions. It is prohibited to use in small or confined spaces. Before igniting, any combustible or explosive material must be removed from the surroundings. There should not be any flammable objects above the fire pit. Minimum distance 60 centimeters, 23.6 inches. When using this product, please be careful not to let babies and pets get too close to the stove. Yeah, like your grandson. Hot tent, they put a stove in it. I think the little one's out there. And my grandson, he had a big brown, like this, like a deep burn. It was brown, like it's really good suntan. I said, what happened to you? He goes, well, that was so warm, I put my head up to it. He hugged it. That's what he did from over cautioning, keep the kids away from fun. They don't know the stove's hot. They had a screen around when he was growing up, so he didn't know the stove was hot. Okay. Dogs bite, cats scratch, and fire burns. Fire hurts.
Yeah.
Teach them that. I like the idea that one guy said, teach kids firearm safety. They take a watermelon or cantaloupe and shoot it with a high-powered rifle. Watch it turn into mist, fine red mist. That's what it'll do to you. Don't do that. Do not accidentally shoot somebody. Okay, so now we're going to... Now, the instructions, I would say, as a whole, were really good. They're really clear, written in good English, not gibberish. Some things you get in there, there's no instructions in English at all, which that sucks. Especially if you're English and you speak English. Okay, so here we're into nice box, good packing, styrofoam, top and bottom, very nice. This feels real solid. These are the tongs, I guess. These feel really solid, really quality. good. Oh man, I like good stuff. They're weighty. They feel good. They look good. Not very long, but they don't have to be very long because this is a small 7-inch dealer bubble. Come on, get up. The 2 lines down at the bottom right are the pause. You can pause it at some point if you need to.
Yeah, I know.
I think I'm doing okay though. Okay, so we're unboxing, unbagging. There's a ring here. Heavy duty, good quality, nice, really nice. The extinguisher. Kind of weird. Steel tablets. Oh, that's good. I need them. Nice, really well made. This is really sweet. Look at that.